Hey guys, welcome back to Fit Up to 50 and today's workout. Today's workout is going to be pretty simple. You're going to need one single dumbbell. It's going to go like this. 30 elbow to knees. Nice and easy. Then we're going to follow that up with a dumbbell forward lunge into a burpee. Switch arms, dumbbell forward lunge into a burpee on the other side. Each burpee is 1 rep. Then we're going to repeat 30 elbow to knees. Then we're going to progress to 4 burpees, 6 burpees, 8, 10, and then back down the ladder down to 2. Nice and easy, guys. Let's not waste any more time and let's get going. You guys ready to go? Starting up, 30 elbow to knees. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. A little bit of conditioning work. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Let's go. Get those elbows up. Knees up, elbows down, I should say. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Got your dumbbell. Pick it up off the ground. Onto one shoulder. Lunge forward. Dumbbell down. Burpee. Pick it up with the other side. Lunge forward, dumbbell down, and burpee. And that's it, move it out of the way. Set number 1 done, going for 30 again. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the way. 20. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, grab the dumbbell. I want to start on the same side. Let's go. 1. Switch sides. That's 2. Switch sides. That's 3. And up. And that's 4. All right, I'm going for 30. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 9, 10. Keep it up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going for 6. Got the dumbbell, and let's go. 1 down. 2 down. 3 down. Keep moving. Move with me. Come on. 4. 2 more. Up. Keep working. 5. 1 more. Last burpee. And that's 6. All right, going for 30 again. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. Pace is slowing. 3 for me at least. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 20. Give me 10 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Dumbbell. Forward lunge. Burpee. Switch sides. Keep moving. That's 2. 6 left. That's 4, halfway. Come on. 5. 6. 7. Last one. That's 8. Guys, ready to roll? Give me 30. Let's go. 1. 10. 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 30. All right, guys. Can't speak. Tired. We're going for 10. Got your dumbbell? Let's go forward lunge. Into a burpee. Switch sides. Forward lunge. Switch sides. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's halfway. Keep it up. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. Last one. And that's 10. All right, let's go for 30. Ready? Let's go. 1. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Let's go 10 more. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. All right, now we're going for 8, guys. We're coming back down the ladder. Ready? Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 2 more. Come on. 7. Last one. And 8. All right. Dumbbell to the side. Going for 30. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 more. 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 6 burpees, guys. Woo. Dumbbell up, lunge forward, back, burpee. Up. This rolling system for the dumbbell works pretty well. Down, burpee. That's 2. That's 3. Halfway. That's 4. That's 5. Last one. Let's go. And that's 6. All right. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I think that was 30. Might have been short. All right, anyway, we're going for 4. You guys ready to go? Nice and easy now. 1, back, burpee. Switch hands. That's 1 down. 2. 3. And 4. All right. Let's go. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is last time. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we only got 2 left. 2 burpees. We got this now. Let's go up, lunge, down, burpee. Switch hands and the last rep, guys. 1, 2, back, and burpee. And that's it. So that was about 12 and a half minutes or so, guys. Thanks for joining me today for the After 50. Thanks for joining me for this great, what I thought was pretty cool conditioning workout in a very short period of time. We got everything going. My heart rate's rushing through the door. If you guys like this workout, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. It's very important, and leave a like. Try to get as many of those interactions as possible. I'll see you guys in the next workout. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.